The 2026 new Honda SP125 Golden Edition arrives with a fresh attitude, smarter technology, and a premium touch that clearly shows Honda's intention to keep this bike ahead in the 125cc commuter segment. From the moment you look at it, the Golden Edition feels more special than the regular SP125. Honda has added subtle yet classy golden accents that instantly elevate its road presence. It's not loud or flashy, but elegant and confident, aimed at riders who want style along with everyday practicality. At the front, the bike carries forward Honda's sharp and modern design language. The headlamp is sleek and aggressive, giving the SP125 a sporty face while still keeping it commuter-friendly. The golden highlights around key areas add a premium feel without overdoing it. The fuel tank design looks muscular for a 125cc bike, with smooth lines flowing neatly towards the side panels. The Golden Edition badging clearly sets it apart and makes it feel like a limited special variant. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 update is the introduction of ABS. This is a major step forward in safety for the SP125. The addition of ABS improves braking confidence, especially during sudden stops or on slippery roads. For daily riders who deal with unpredictable traffic, rain, and uneven road conditions, ABS can make a real difference. It adds peace of mind and shows Honda's focus on rider safety, even in the commuter category. The braking setup feels more controlled and stable, and the bike remains well-balanced during hard braking. Combined with the lightweight chassis, the SP125 feels easy to handle and predictable, making it suitable for both new riders and experienced commuters. The suspension setup continues to offer a comfortable ride, soaking up most bumps and potholes with ease. This makes it ideal for daily city use as well as longer rides on highways. Powering the 2026 Honda SP125 Golden Edition is a refined 125cc engine that focuses on smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. The engine delivers enough power for city commuting, with quick acceleration for overtakes and smooth cruising at moderate speeds. Honda's engine refinement is clearly noticeable, with minimal vibrations and a calm riding experience even at higher RPMs. This makes long rides less tiring and more enjoyable. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest points of the SP125. Honda has tuned the engine to deliver impressive mileage without compromising performance. This is especially important for riders who use the bike daily and want to keep fuel costs low. Whether it's stop-and-go city traffic or open roads, the SP125 manages fuel efficiently, making it a practical choice for budget-conscious riders. The 2026 model also features an updated digital instrument cluster that looks modern and easy to read. It provides all essential information like speed, fuel level, trip meter, and other indicators clearly. The layout feels intuitive, allowing riders to focus on the road rather than the screen. Honda has also paid attention to overall build quality, with solid panels and a premium finish that adds to long-term durability. Comfort is another area where the SP125 shines. The seat is well cushioned and designed to support both rider and pillion comfortably. The riding posture is upright and relaxed, which reduces strain during long commutes. The handlebars are positioned perfectly for city riding, offering good control and easy maneuverability in traffic. The Golden Edition is clearly aimed at riders who want something extra from their daily commuter. It combines reliability, efficiency, safety, and a premium visual upgrade in one package. Honda's strong service network and trusted reliability further add to the appeal, making ownership stress-free and affordable in the long run. Overall, the 2026 new Honda SP125 Golden Edition with ABS is a smart and well-balanced update. It doesn't try to be overly sporty or aggressive, but focuses on what truly matters to everyday riders. With improved safety, refined performance, excellent mileage, and a classy new look, this bike stands out as one of the most complete 125cc commuters available. For anyone looking for a stylish, safe, and dependable motorcycle for daily use, the SP125 Golden Edition makes a strong and convincing case.